Is trading for everybody? Let's talk about that really important topic and more right now. Hey there traders, Andrew Mitchum here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 567. Now, I've had a few interesting chats this week and I want to bring this to your attention. And really I want to say, look, is trading for everybody? The answer is absolutely not. And as a result of what I've experienced this week, I want to explain why I'm saying it's not for everybody. I received a call a few days ago from someone who lives here in New Zealand. He's not a New Zealander, but he's living here right now. And I had some doubts when I heard the conversation. And I ended up saying, look, I don't think you should do this. I don't think trading's for you, and certainly we're not a good match. He was, it was all a little bit desperate, needing the money, potentially saying there was health issues. Whether there was or not, I don't know. But, it's quite a sob story. And I've only got $300. And I heard it all and I go, do you know what? I've heard this so many times over 20 years of trading and teaching. This is not for you. You're not in a position mentally, potentially physically, financially to do this. And if you jump on board, it's going to end badly because people like that are desperate for money. They're not willing to put the time in. People can be very lazy, so they just want to copy. In fact, I did say to him, look, you should probably just go and buy yourself a monthly subscription to a signal service because I don't think that you're the type of person that's going to be putting in the time, the effort, the commitment to learn. Now, important to note that just because you may not have money today, that doesn't matter. The thing that we're doing is we're teaching people how to trade properly, but you still need to put that time, commitment, effort into wanting to learn how to do it. If you can trade on demo, you can trade on small live accounts, you can go through to prop firms. There's so many different ways to be successful without needing the funds today. Now, sure, if you come on board with us, you need some funds to invest in the coaching. We're not out there giving our time, our knowledge, our expertise, just for peanuts. We're posting trades every day without fail. We've done this since 2010. We're on webinars, forum site, all those type of things, and a proven strategy. So yes, there has to be, an upfront fee to do that. We are not a charity. Let's be clear about this. But when we have good, successful traders, you will make your investment back just countless times over, and you add that knowledge for the rest of your life. But coming back to this individual person, just wasn't going to be him. It wasn't going to work. And so the question comes, should everybody trade? Absolutely not. You've got to still put the time, the effort, the commitment, the willing to have ups and downs in the market. If you come on board and you go, oh, look, I'm not making money after 1 month. Well, that's because you're learning. You've got to give yourself time. You can't go, I want to be a tennis player. I'm going to do lessons for a month and then I think I'm going to be the world's number one. It's just not real. So give yourself some time, some realistic expectations to learn up front. And just this week, I was at a business meeting and I said, look, the best thing I can do as an advice to give someone who wants to look at trading is think of yourself as like a painter or decorator. Everybody sees the finished result. They see the painted wall, the wallpaper, the whatever it is, the beautiful finish. They don't see the preparation that goes into it behind the scenes, the sanding, the filling up the cracks and holes and, doing all the prep work underneath, the boring bit underneath that makes the finished result look good. And trading is exactly the same. You have to put that time and effort and commitment in. Now, on a more positive note, if you are one of those people, we'd love to talk. So if you'd like to come on board with us, what you can do is book a call with us. It's the only way that you can come on board with us because we want to make sure that we're a good fit. So book a call with us using the link that I'll put on here. We'll have a chat, see if you're right for us, if we're right for you. And if we both agree, then it's a good match. Then, the call's yours to say, well, look, I'd like to come on board or not. That's up to you. Have a look at my Masterclass. And I'll put a link to that. And if you're out there looking for a very high quality broker, I can highly recommend Blueberry Markets. Their MT5 platform is fantastic. I've taken trades just yesterday on the US Mexican and the Franc Polish and Ethereum. Some quite more unusual. If we were talking 5 years ago, those pairs wouldn't have been available. But because of MT5 and the ability to have more pairs, more markets, they are. And so we're taking trades based on the strategy, on the pattern, not so much what the market is, and they're working. So have a look at Blueberry Markets if you want a good quality broker as well. I'll put a link to them here. That's it for now. Just remember that if you'd like to learn how to trade, we've been doing this for a long time, but you need to be the right type of person that wants to do it. And if you are, let's talk. This is Andrew Mitchum here at the Forex Trading Coach. I'll see you this time next week. Bye for now.